In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign instructors to a section. To do so, I'll make sure that first I'm in the admin console, then I'll click on Assign Instructors to a Section. First, I'll need to locate the section that I want to alter. So in this case, I'm going to go to the term and choose Winter 2015, BQL 200, and then the section is D. Then I'll click Search. Now in this case, this one already has an instructor set, and that is not a problem at all. So I can do a couple of different things. I can add a different primary instructor. So I could remove this one and simply add a new person, which would be simple enough. Once that's done, I will click on the check mark and click Assign. That would allow me to assign that person as the primary instructor if perhaps somebody else wasn't able to teach or you wanted to change it. But let's look at an alternative. The other thing I could do is add a couple of instructors. One is the primary, and then we'd have the secondary. So let's change this back to the original instructor, but now let's just add a second one. So to do that, I'm going to click Add Another Instructor. And then this time I'll click Assign. And now I have two instructors. So let's go and verify that. I'm going to click on Jump To, select the proper term, and go to the section that I was working on, which was the BQL 200D. If I go to the roster, you'll notice that I only have one, and there's actually a good reason for that. It sometimes takes a few minutes for all of that data to propagate across the courses. So this is not a problem, it's just something to think about. So if you're expecting it to happen immediately, it might not. It might actually take a few minutes. I've seen it take up to 15 minutes for someone to show up in this section. But if I go back to admin and I go back to Assign Instructors, if you have any doubt, you can go back to this section and verify it from here, even if it's not showing in the course right away. So as you can see, it has been assigned properly and they're both there. So give it a few minutes and you'll be able to then visually verify within the course that that individual has been assigned to teach that course. So you've just seen how to assign instructors to a section, how to remove an instructor from a section, and how to add a team taught or multiple instructors to a section.